In 1969, Pioneer Automobiles was founded by Mr. Shankar Rao Chukkapalli, which eventually led to the birth of the Phoenix Group. In 1985, the group ventured into real estate development. In 1993, Mr. Suresh Chukkapalli co-founded the Lanco Group and served as vice chairman. He helped Lanco grow the power business and diversify into real estate. In 2002, Phoenix Infratech was founded as the flagship company that consolidates all the real estate ventures of the Phoenix Group. Phoenix constructed the first SEZ in Hyderabad and was the first to have made it operational. In 2008, Phoenix received private equity funding from Catalyst Shamsara. This accelerated the growth of the company and took the company to new heights. As of 2011, Phoenix is developing 29.63 million square feet in strategic locations across the states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Golf Edge Green Living, the voice of the customer that led to the concept of Golf Edge. Location, landmark and impression, a place to call home. Support and goodwill from the developer to make everyday living an experience, an ideal package. The solution, Gachibowli, heart of the IT and financial districts. 30-storied high-rise overlooking a 500-acre golf course on one side and the city skyline on the other. Our priority is to provide the customer with a place one can call home, a place where one can come back to enjoy and relax with family after a hard day's work. 100% Vastu-compliant units, privacy with no common walls between apartments, where each apartment is designed such that the windows do not overlook a neighboring apartment. 3 levels of basement car parks to avoid air pollution and have an aesthetically maintained tot lot to make everyday living an experience with the comfort and ambience. Services that are available at the press of a button, including housekeeping in common areas as well as within the household, dusting, cleaning, laundry and concierge services, giving you the spare time and energy to spend on things that matter to you. Ideal package. The specifications of our apartments are ones that you will never have to compromise on, be it from using maintenance-free compressed Italian marble, rain showers, feature walls, quality home appliances, imported furniture and soft closures. It is a place one can call a branded home with quality fit-outs and amenities. Each house is designed by an assigned interior designer that will pick from a list of exhaustive catalogue of furniture imported from Thailand, Malaysia and Italy to match your tastes. Relationships, lifelong support and goodwill. Each one of our customers is an ambassador of our brand. Property management and facility management services will be taken up by us to ensure quality and service throughout. Services for all furniture and appliances provided at cost by developer on premises. Highlights: location, style, view, branded 5-star hotel, 40,000 square feet clubhouse and terrace lounges, fully furnished and equipped, fully serviced and home automated, privacy with independent units and no attached walls. Customers pay only 20% of the total cost upfront immediately, after which documentation is completed and customer home loan is applied for. The developer pays the interest until the time the flat is handed over for possession to the customer. Golf Edge Green Living.